Hello guys, how are you doing today? Are you good? So, this class we're going to talk about Douglas Adams' book, okay? The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, okay? This day we are celebrating Toll's Day, okay? Which is also the Geek Pride Day, okay? This day was a tribute that the fans created to Douglas Adams because he died 2 weeks before, okay? And in the book, we have a bunch of usages of the towel. So if you read in the text, you're going to see a lot of usages that are referred in the book, okay? So now let's take a look about some verbs from the text, okay? So we have to carry, to wrap, to say, to lie, to assume, to wave, to discover, to lend, to think, and to know. Alright? So let's go to the home practice. Home practice are on pages 1328 until 1330. Okay? In this first exercise, you're going to talk about the predictions that the video presents, okay? And in those predictions, we have some information that Douglas Adams brought, okay? So, the question is, which of his predictions were right? How had that been changing before last year, okay? Here we have some examples. He predicted that games would evolve from playing with a machine to playing with another people. The second information, he predicted a world of game interaction which would feel like you were there with the characters. Okay? Letter B, how books had been changing your life when you chose your career. Okay? And then we have an example. I chose to be a teacher because books had been being part of my life since I had the chance to read the first book of Harry Potter. Okay? I had always had problems with reading because I wasn't motivated by my teacher of that time. Then I had decided I would be a teacher to motivate my students to read books. Alright? Senior and master, you have to write about a remarkable book in your childhood and how it is so special for you. Okay? So, in this part, we're going to talk about the Harry Potter. Okay? So, I had been reading Harry Potter through all my high school when I was a teenager. And it was very important to me because I've learned a lot of words. I read the book in Portuguese and after that I've read it in English. So I've learned a lot from that book. Okay? Now, we're going to go to the review. This class, we're going to be talking about past perfect continuous. Okay? So what's the idea of past perfect continuous? Past perfect continuous talks about an action that was in progress before another action in the past, okay? So we have two events. The first event will be in progress and then we have the second event, okay? The first event that is in progress is going to be the past perfect continuous. So how is the structure of past perfect continuous? We're going to have subject plus had been plus verb plus ing plus complement, okay? That's the first event. The second event, we are going to use simple past, okay? So to make them work together, we will have to have a connector, okay? This connector can be before, after, by the time, by then, okay? So we have some examples in affirmative, negative, and interrogative to show how to use them, okay? But if you have any problems, don't forget to talk to your teachers on your live classes. So let's go to our examples. The first example, affirmative. People had been thinking about how 2015 would be when they assumed some technologies from Back to the Future 2 could be real, okay? Negative. People discovered Justice League Snyder's Cut because they hadn't been saying good things about the version we watched. Okay? And in the interrogative we have, had you been carrying your towel everywhere by the time you knew about Towel Day? Okay guys, that's it for today. It was a pleasure to be with you. See you next time. Bye bye.